How to change face? So first of all, we have to select the lasso tool. Then Control plus C, Control plus V, and Control plus D. Now adjust the image. Check opacity. Again, enter. So go to the layer 1, right click, select pixel, go to the select menu, modify, contract by 5%, 5, then OK. After that, unlock the lock and delete. Control and select both. Go to the edit menu, auto blend layer, select panorama, then OK. So here is a final result.